presence here in front of this fig tree that was there long before Nairobi ever was. A clear indication that it is indeed possible for us to live with nature, that it is possible for us to preserve and conserve while at the same time develop rapidly our infrastructure and our capacity to ensure that our citizens live a decent, clean livelihood that each and every citizen is entitled to. Mungu awabariki, Mungu awalinde. May you have a blessed Christmas with your families. May God continue to protect this nation of Kenya, and may we all pray for a prosperous, happy New Year with COVID hopefully well behind us.